Hey there, I'm Yankel, and what we're gonna do today is show you how to grill pork chops, specifically ButcherBox pork chops, without drying them out. Of course, you can apply this process to any type of lean protein, whether it's chicken breast or a lean steak. It's gonna work really well. All right, let's light that grill. Okay, so here's the process. You create two zones in your grill. One's gonna be really hot and the other really cool. And the way I do that is by putting all of my charcoal or wood chips or whatever I'm using over to one side and leave the other side empty. So I decided not to go shopping for this recipe. I'm just using what I have around the house. Fresh garlic, and then I've got smoked paprika, onion powder, a little bit of ground cumin, and some olive oil. Of course, salt and pepper at the end. Very simple. Let's put it together. Now, the thing with pork chops is when you cook them at high temperature, the whole time the moisture is gonna leave, just like boiling water. So what we wanna do is get a nice good sear on the outside and then slowly bring them up to temperature so that we don't lose all that moisture. I'm a bit of a purist, so sometimes just cooked meat is enough for me, but people are always like, where's the sauce? So I'm putting a sauce together based on ingredients that I have at home. I had fresh lemon sitting around. I've got some scallions, a little bit of Greek yogurt, and some whole grain Dijon mustard, some Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna start with my lemon. Next up, I'm gonna add my scallions, and I like to add them next because I want them to sort of just pickle slightly in that lemon juice before I add the Greek yogurt. Although Greek yogurt has a nice level of acidity to it as well. Small, tight slices. And this time of year, if you can grab spring onion or ramps, add a really nice fresh spring flavor. All right, a little bit of mustard, not too much. Just gonna give it a little bit of body and touch of spice and a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of Greek yogurt, a lot of it, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Stir that up, and really that's all it takes to make a very quick sauce that goes really well with pork. Some of the acidity from the lemon juice, a little bit of sweetness from the onion, a little bit of tang from the mustard. It's gonna be a perfect marriage for some really smoky, crispy, barbecued pork chops. Those look amazing. I can't wait to dig into these. They obviously are full of moisture. You can see as they rest, a little bit of the juice is gonna add to your yogurt sauce. Just delicious. I'm Yankel. Go be safe and grill something good.